Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you through changing the language in the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. This simple process will allow you to use Chrome in the language you prefer, making browsing more comfortable. First, open the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. After that, scroll further until you find the language option and tap on it to proceed. Next, under Chrome Beta Language, tap on it to reveal the list of available languages. Then, browse through the languages and choose the one you want to set for your browser. After selecting your preferred language, wait for the browser to download the language pack. Finally, once the download is complete, tap on Restart Chrome to apply the changes. After restarting, your Google Chrome beta browser will now display all menus and options in the language you selected. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tech tutorials.